Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Binal TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we ordered here. We're going to unbox this gear. Okay, this is HP P22H G4 okay monitor. It's what we're going to unbox this gear, and nice. This is HP P22H G4 21 points. Okay, this is what is here. This is unboxing for this gear. Okay, this is HP monitor. There we go. This is the monitor. Okay, nice HP P22H G4 21.5 inch diagonal monitor diagonal. Okay, so we are going to connect this here. Okay, and to connect this, what you need to do is first of all you need to look over here. So to connect this, you need to first of all want us to set this up. To set it up, you need to this end need to go over here. You need to make sure it goes flat in. Okay, so push it in. Now you need to tighten it up. Tight. Okay, so this is how to set this up, and it's ready. Okay, the next thing to do is with this, you need to look. Okay, push it flat. Okay, now the next thing to you need to push it inside. Move this. So I need to push it in. Here we go. Now the next thing to do, you need to push this inside. This in. Okay, here we go. So you can adjust this down. This is the monitor ordered. Ordered this from Amazon.co.uk. This is HP monitor. So this is how to set this up. It's very nice gear. You can actually move it up and adjust it. Okay, you can bring it up. So this is HP P22H G4 21. Okay, so you plug it in, turn it on and off from right here. Okay, underneath here, on and off button is right here. Okay, then you connect the power cable. Okay, connect the power cable. Okay, plug it, the power goes in here. Okay, and you connect this to the PC or to the monitor. Nice. Beautiful stuff. This is HP P22H G4 21.5 inch diagonal monitor. Nice. So you can adjust it. Okay, it's so nice. Okay, beautiful stuff. The information is right here. Various languages, product notice. Okay, this is beautiful stuff. I ordered this from Amazon.co.uk. I thought to show you how to set this up, connect it. Okay, you tight it and make sure you tight it properly and set it. Okay, if you want to remove it, you can also need to push this up. Okay, to remove it, you need to. So if you want to remove it, okay, you need to press. There's a button at the back. There's a button here. You need to push it up and remove it. It will come off. Okay, and if you want to put it back in, so make sure you load them in and push up is in. Okay guys, I thought to show you how to connect this. This is HP P22H G4 diagonal monitor. Okay, thank you very much and stay blessed.